anything that you do in Excel, you can automate. Anything. And don't tell me that you can't code or you don't know how to. We live in 2024 and we have AI as our assistant every day. And I'll show you with an example how easy it is to automate any task, and it's free. You don't need a subscription to ChatGPT. You can use the free version. I'll show you with the paid and the free version. In this scenario, we will have this invoice here. This is a pre-made template that I found. Let's say you want to email the invoice. You want the email recipient to be what's in a certain cell. Let's say here, Ricard@excelberry.com. You want the recipient to be what's in F3. You want the heading to be what's in B4, invoice and the number of the invoice, followed by perhaps your company name. And you want the text to be, here is the invoice. It will take me less than 1 minute to set this up using ChatGPT. Let me show you with the free version first and then follow it up with an even easier way if you have a premium plan. Here we have ChatGPT. You can see that I use the free version 3.5 right now. All you need to do is to go into their webpage, sign up, and then sign in. And then you can write a prompt and get the message back. And what's so good is that it's very customized. You can do all the code that you need in one prompt, one command to the chatbot. For example, write a VBA macro in Excel. That's all you need to know. VBA is the code language in Excel, and it's called a macro that runs the code that create an email that attach the file as a PDF. The recipient is what's in cell F4. The topic is what's in cell B4. The text should be hello, and that's all you need. It's that easy. You write in very, very easy English language, press on enter, you get the perfect VBA code. This would take me a couple of hours if I would even be able to do it. Before ChatGPT, I would open up Google and try to get each part of the macro and make it work. Now I just write the instructions, copy the code, head back to Excel, go into the developer tab. If you don't have it, right click, customize the ribbon, and make sure you have developer marked. And then you go to Visual Basic here to the left, you insert a new module, and here you paste it. This will definitely work. What I do now is that I insert a picture or a shape or an icon. I go to the Insert tab, insert any picture like a happy smile, right click on it and assign the macro called send email with attachment. And now when I press on it, it will take just 2 seconds before it will give you the email with the recipient, the subject, the attached file. Here you can see it, and you have the text underneath. That's a very customized macro that I completed in just one prompt with very easy English. Took me just a couple of minutes to set it all up, and you can do it definitely too. If the macro doesn't work exactly as you want it to work, then you have a conversation with ChatGPT. For example, you tell it this line of code didn't work as expected. Please help me out. You should not be happy with the result you receive from ChatGPT if it doesn't work, and use it in the same conversation to ask questions to further improve the macro. Or if you want to add something, it will help you with that too. So you're crazy if you do not automate your work that you do frequently in Excel, and I hope I proved that with this example.